another adult DIY from the Covina Public Library. For April, we have the perfect eco-friendly craft for you guys. If you guys want to learn how to make some seed starting pots, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it.
Okay, so for this craft, you're just gonna need a small jar and some newspaper. So what I'm doing is making sure I have enough length of my newspaper to cover the jar, and I'm gonna cut out a rectangular strip. And if there's enough newspaper, you might want to cut another strip. Now with the strip, you're going to want to dip it into a shallow pan of water. After that, what you're going to want to do is use the wet strip and roll over the jar so it creates the jar shape. And then fold over the bottom half. I let the jar dry overnight, and then it molded into the shape of the jar. So now you have your own newspaper pot. Next, if you have some soil or some seed, you're going to want to fill it up so you can begin planting seeds. And if you had enough newspaper, you can repeat the process and create your own little seeded pots.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Now you guys know how to make your own seed starting pots. So remember to tune in next month for another adult DIY. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.